So, join me this morning at Pelangi Beach. We're on the sunset side of Gili Air. I just stopped off for a cheeky little bintang while we've been walking around. Got a bit hot and decided to have a drink and jump in their pool. So, just thought I'd do a little review while I'm here. So, obviously, it's a beachfront property. I'm just going to talk a little bit now because we just got a little bit of background music going on. So straight from the bar, which is just located over here, you've got your indoor drinking area here. So when it rains, you've got somewhere to come and sit and still be by the ocean. Got a lovely pool going on here, and they have these floaty baskets where you can put your dinner on and have your dinner in the pool. Fruit cocktails or what have you. Quick walk through and have a look at the accommodation. It's not a room review, it's just an overview of the actual resort itself. What I do like is you have a lovely canopy of trees giving you lots of shade, which is always a bonus in these kind of tropical environments where being cool is essential. Some of the resorts have just pulled them down and there's just no shade anywhere. There's no respite from the heat. But here it's got quite established gardens, so also gives you privacy between each bungalow as well. So if you're on your veranda at the front here, you're not necessarily being overlooked by the little bungalow next to you. And that's the last one just there. I'll just spin you back round. So I'll be thinking of staying here. Just be aware the road on the front is made of sand and is for quite a distance on either way. So if you're hiring bikes, you'll be ended up pushing your bike more than riding your bike on this side of the island. On the other side of the island, they have more of a substantial road. Saying that, as I did this morning, I'm staying on the other side near the harbour. It's a 30-minute walk, or perhaps maybe just a 10-minute cycle ride to the other side, and you can cut straight across the island on like a solid path. Place for park your bike. Okay, so if you do like this kind of content and you find it of use, or you know someone who's traveling on holiday, why not share the video? Give my channel a boost by subscribing. It's completely free, and give the video a like. And thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.